Hey everyone, it's Rob Nazarian with Talk Android, and today we're looking at eWeather HD Radar HD alerts from Elecont software. And you think I really mean 3 apps there, but it's really one app that includes all those things. I actually reviewed eRadar HD several months ago, and this app includes that plus a whole lot more. So if you're really in the weather, you're a weather buff, you're going to really want to check this out. Now, in the opening of the app here, you can see a really nice clock here, and it displays the weather for the next 12 hours. So right now it's just about noon. It's a little after, and you can see going on each hour what it's going to look like as far as the temperature, sunny, cloudy, or whatever, all the way up to midnight tonight. Now, if you tap on it, you get other information like the humidity at each hour of the day, the pressure, and precipitation percentages, UV, if it's windy and how much and what direction, the K index. There's just a lot right there. Now, that's not all. There's still plenty more. With a flick of your finger, now you have a 10-day forecast. And with that, you have the temperatures going across the top, the highs and the lows charted, so you can kind of see, is it getting hot, warmer, or colder. And then you've got wind and UV and moon and icons here. You can also select each day and get more information for each day. If there's alerts of any kind, that'll show up as well. Black ice is an alert right there, and black ice was also this morning as well. Another flick and you have the current conditions, and of course you can see there's just a bunch of stuff there. Let me bring it up a little closer. So the wording is a little bit small, but it's easy to read when you have it in your hand. And so you got your pressure and everything you can think of. Alerts, there you go. So there's black ice, that's the warning for it, and you can even send it to somebody via email. You can share it, which is really nice. And now that's already pretty good information right there, but there's still even more. Now you can also flick through those things down here as well. Now, if you go here, you can call up the radar for the given area. Of course, you can look at it in landscape mode. And there's a lot of different settings and things. As I move around, this little icon tells me how far away I am. So, for example, down here is some radar. That's 282 miles away from me, roughly. Maybe 340 if I bring it more accurate. Also within here, you get the warnings. Will be just different color shades, and the warnings that are issued, alerts, shall we say, could be anything from the black ice that you saw, snow advisories, thunderstorms, or whatever. There's a winter weather advisory for this area here. You tap on it, and you can read all about it, and it tells you everything that's going on. And you can then send an email if you want to share it with somebody. Over here, winter weather advisory. Well, winter weather advisories, hopefully not by me at least, but I will be getting that in the next day or so. Let's go back now, and let's say you want to. The other thing is also in the landscape mode, you can get more information as well, which is also nice. Now this weather map here gives you a lot of detailed information that you can flick on or off. So you can turn off some of these things. You can see the weather icons through different areas around you. And of course, don't forget, you can always zoom out and zoom in. And of course, we're not going to show you a million icons, but as you zoom in, you'll get more. But you can add in pressures and times in the areas, like say you're looking at a different time zone. There's just so much here, and of course you can even add in the the radar as well. So you make basically your own custom map. It's like, and you can even turn on the alerts. There's just a lot going on here. There's just so much you can do. You can see there's a lot more alerts down here, flood advisories, things like that. So basically you become your own weatherman, and like I said, if you're really into weather and you find yourself watching the Weather Channel all the time, this is going to give you everything you could possibly imagine. Now, there's still more, because there are some really nice widgets. For example, this widget right here is your it's your 10-day forecast, but it's really showing you 5 days. Of course, you tap into it and you go right in. Also, I have various widgets here that I'm showing you: 1x4, 1x1s, 2x1s, 2x2s. There's every size you can imagine. You can put whatever you want. Like, for example, let's just remove that one and go ahead and add a widget. And let's say we want to do the 5x5 weather. You go in here. Oops, that's right, I got to hold it down. You go right in here and you can show out the hour-by-hour weather clock if you want. You can even show radar, earthquakes, the map, 10-day view, which we just had. And let's just say we want the hour-by-hour weather clock. Alright, we'll just go back, and there it is. And you get that same look clock that we just had going into the app, and that's a widget on your screen. So you go ahead and tap it, and you're into the app, and you can navigate and do whatever you want. It's fantastic. It's $3.99, which is a very fair price if you consider everything that you're going to get with this app. And there's even more that I'm not even showing you, because there's just so many settings, so many things. There's even notifications, tells you the temperature, tells you what's going on. You can customize that. You can do whatever you want pretty much with this app. And I can guarantee you, if there's something that you want still, if there is something that you find on this that you still want, you could probably contact Ellicott Weather and they'll add it, because this is very comprehensive, and I would say probably the most comprehensive weather app available on Android. So check it out. It's called eWeather HD, Radar HD, Alerts. It's all three in one for $3.99. Give it a shot. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. This is Rob Nazarian with Talk Android.